QB on the G1K, making this sad video. I have missed the entire 2020 riding season because of this issue right here. What do you notice? No jack shaft, no chain, no nothing. And I'm gonna explain to you why. Coming right up. So I have a Suzuki 1000 stretched with 300 size tire, actually at 310. I just rounded off to 300. As you know, if it's anything bigger than a 240 you can have one chain. Anything bigger than a 240 you got to have a 2-chain system. All right, so my jack shaft was worn down and the bearings inside the jack shaft need to be replaced per Fletcher. That's what they told me after sending it to Fletcher the first time to get it looked at. Alright, I had one good ride last year in October. Rode with my boys Gerald, Reggie, and one of their friends. We tearing up the town. Cool. The next time I get on it, it starts to slip. Let me get this fixed. I was recommended to send my bike to somebody from Memphis, and they said they could do it. Well, needless to say, it's been a whole year. I finally got my bike back this month. The issue is even worse. The jack shaft that I got, I believe won't fit. The bearings inside that was given to me, I believe they won't fit inside the jack shaft. And like, this is a custom bike. When you get them big swing arms, it's custom. The bike was put together in one of the Carolinas, south or north. So there ain't no telling if that place even still exists. Things need to be, done correctly for it to work. I want it to work a long time. It is what it is. So I finally get it back. Now, he didn't had it for a year. Now the bike won't even start up. It keeps turning over but won't fire up. So I call Fletcher's, right? And they say they'll take a look at it, they'll fix it. It'll be anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500. I'm gonna have to pay that price. But what makes me mad is that I've spent money on parts that I believe won't even fit. The money that I spent on parts for dude to fix, I could have gave Fletcher's and been done with it. I have missed the whole entire 2020 riding season, even though Memphis really don't have a season, but I've missed out. So yeah, that's the story in a nutshell. First episode of QB on the G1K, man. I'm rideless until 2021, basically. It is what it is. The brand new battery that I bought last year, since he didn't have it on the trickle charger all year, it's shot. It's under 3 volts. No chain, no jack shaft, just a whole missing assembly. Not to mention I got this broke off, can't even shift. Something down here is loose. I need them to look at. And like I said, the bike won't start. But other than that, I'm gonna get this thing back working for the 2021 so I can join my fellow riders in Memphis and have some fun. Yeah. So yeah, QB on the G1K. Sad still.